And let's go ahead and add a teaspoon of the miso paste. Now, miso is very common in the vegan world. It's actually made from fermented soybeans. They add salt and goji fungus and they ferment it, and it really adds this beautiful, deep, rich flavor to a lot of things besides just, well, miso soup, for example. It'll actually deepen the flavor of any soup, and it marries very well with squash, and I'm hoping I can kind of get the same synergy with the sweet potato that we've put in here today. So I'm going to just go ahead and add maybe a teaspoon or so and stir that up, and I'm going to serve it with Lee's favorite chickpea sandwich. And so I will be including the recipe below, and please go ahead and visit criscoandcompany.com. I just posted a wonderful blog article on the multitude of ways you can use miso in your vegan cuisine. Thanks for joining me today.